Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning the COUNTIF function. We'll be also be learning about plenty of shortcuts and I'll keep you guys posted. So let's get started. First of all, the COUNTIF function is used to count values under certain conditions. For this, we will have a sample dataset. For this, we will use ChatGPT. I'll ask him to give me a dataset of students, rather 10 students who are pass or fail. I'm using ChatGPT so that you can also have an idea how to use AI in your projects. So this is going to give me a list, a sample data set, which we're going to be using. So this I'm going to copy. Shortcut is you just click at the start of the students. You can just keep holding shift button and then click at the end over here. You press Control C, go back to your Excel sheet, and anywhere you press Control V. So we have our data visual. We'll just clean it a bit. We'll change the settings. We'll just align it center, then put some borders over here using this. So now we have, now we want to calculate how many students have passed. So for this, we will be using the counter function, which is equals count if. So first of all, we have to select all the range, the first parameter. This one, this is the range from which we're going to check how many are passed and how many are failed. Then the criteria should be in double quotes. So first of all, I'm going to check how many are passed. I press enter, and this is the number of students that are passed. We can also check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going a bit quicker, maybe using a few shortcuts. So just you go to ChatGPT. We'll remove this, or we can just keep it all here. We can use another command, say give me data set of 10 customers with other numbers ranging from 10 to 100. So here we are going to have another data set. So there are a few customers who have placed certain orders. So once more, I'm going to click at the start of the C, at the hold shift button, and click at the end of the two. Use Control C. You can also see the screen. So now I'm going to click over here and press Control V. Here I have my data set. So now I'll be using some shortcuts. I'll be using the keyboard only. So first of all, let's double click this column. We'll remove this wrap text so that we can see the text on single row, and then double click this handle so that it fits the width, automatically fits the width. So now I'll be going to the first cell, hold shift and keep on. It will move my cursor down so that automatically selecting all the cells. But when I hold control and press down the arrow key, it automatically selects all the cells and goes till the last cell which has data inside it. Now I press Alt. Whenever you press Alt, you see these shortcuts which appear on the ribbon. I press now. I want to go over here. So see my key. I will using the keyboard to navigate. I have to first go to the home. Then I'll press A and C. A and C. Now it is align center. Once more, I'll be using Control Shift right, all the cells selected to till the end. Control Shift down, all the cells selected in. I'll press Alt H. Now have to go over here to select the borders, B, and then A, all borders. Once you get the hang of it, the shortcuts are pretty handy. Now I'll go down over here. Now once again, I'll use Count. If I will press, I'll use the down arrow key and press Tab. Then I will move up arrow key and use Control Shift up to go till the last cell. Keep on holding the Shift and then move one place down. Now press comma and then criteria. I will see how many have placed less than 15 orders. So I can see that only one person has placed orders which are less than 50. So now I will go to this cell, press F2. Then I will see how many have placed more than 50 orders. So there are 6 people who have placed more than 50 orders, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So once again, I will align it center, Alt H, AC, to align center. Then I will just add a bit of formatting. I will merge and center the cell, Alt H, you see, M for merge, and C for center. Merge center. I will write total. Now I will use another example data set. I'll go back to ChatGPT. Give me data set of 10 customers with different cities, New York, or any other 2. So now we will have another data set. We'll be selecting this data set to give you another example. First of all, hold the Shift, press at the start, keep on holding Shift, press click at the end. Start until end. Control C, Alt Tab to go back to Excel. Click the cell, Control V. All the data is here. We're wrapping this, removing the wrap, or Alt H. Keep an eye on the ribbon. We will press W to remove the wrap. Then I will going over here, format. Keep an eye on the ribbon, Alt H to open formatting. I'll press O, and auto fit row width is I. This automatically adjusted the width. Control Shift right to select all the cells till the end towards the right. Control Shift down. Now I will keep an eye on the ribbon. I will bring the Home tab, Alt H, and align center is AC. So I'll be moving once again. So Alt H, AC, everything is aligned center. I'm adding borders, Alt H. Borders all were B and A. Borders are already applied. I'll be doing again to remove the wrap from here. Alt HW. The wrap is removed. Now once again, I will be adjusting the width of the column with Alt HO, and width was I. We have to select column, auto fit column, width. Everything selected. Now I will count all the students which are from New York. First, you have to select the range, Control Shift up arrow key, and till the last cell. The criteria is New York. Press enter. There are 4 students from New York, so this should also be center aligned, so it doesn't look pretty. Go to the Home tab, and line center is AC. So that's all from this video. Thank you.